Welcome to Reefapalooza 2018 in my hometown of Orlando, Florida. We're here at the CoralVue booth, and my name is Jack, and I'm here to show you the Klir Filter. Some of you might have seen the first design of the Klir Filter at Magna 2017, and since then we took some of your feedback and realized that there were two major obstacles to still overcome. That was no changes in plumbing required, and also you wanted your sump space back. So that took us back to the drawing board, and we created the Klir Filter Drop In. This comes in a 4-inch and 7-inch model that directly replaces filter socks. Simply remove your old filter sock and drop the unit in. For tight applications or low height stand clearance, it's also hingeable. So it allows you to come in at an angle and drop it into your sump. And now the filter is ready for operation. And you don't have to worry about mechanical filtration for months at a time. It works in the principle of water entering this middle chamber, saturating the fleece. And as the fleece saturates, the water level within your sock tray chamber rises and triggers a switch that turns a motor, spooling dirty material and exposing new material, allowing the water to then drop again. It is controlled by the Klir controller, which monitors the level and spins the motor as needed. And if the level should ever rise and stay there, it has an audible alert to let you know that there is an issue. And another unique feature is that you can piggyback these off of each other. So you can have a master and a slave, allowing you to only buy a master, which comes with the electronics, and it has a Y splitter that will control both units with the same electronics. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the flow rate that each of these filters is capable of. The 4-inch unit is capable of 800 gallons per hour, and the 7-inch unit is capable of 1,500 gallons per hour. Now keep in mind, that does not mean you need to have an 800 gallon per hour or less pump to operate this. This is the amount of water that can actually enter the unit after head loss and any kind of other pressure loss you might have from your pump. So 800 gallons per hour into your sump, or 1,500 gallons per hour into your sump. Here we see a Klir filter running on a nice capped sump, and what you'll notice are a few things. Here you see where the fleece has been exhausted and rolled into its collection roller, and you'll notice as it goes down it's cleaner and cleaner. That is because the cleaner side is being pulled from the clean side. As water starts getting this side dirty, the water level within the sump will rise and trigger the optical switch to turn this dirty spool and expose new clean material. The Klir filter has a full lid which serves two purposes. It eliminates odor and eliminates noise. It's fully vented on the top. However, it does have a carbon insert to eliminate any smell that might be coming through from it. We have found that there isn't a significant smell. However, me personally, I do not turn off my return pump when feeding, and I tend to catch a lot of food within the dirty roller. Whatever you want to. Everybody goes think Again, this is a 4-inch model and a 7-inch model that directly replaces your filter socks. So as long as you have a filter sock tray on your sump, you just pull out the sock, and drop it in. There is no plumbing or any other modifications to be made. In addition to the two mechanical models, we also have a manual model that is fully upgradable in the future. It's a more economical way to get into replacing your filter sumps. With this, what you would do is maybe once a day, just give it a couple of cranks to expose new material and go on your way. In the future, you can always upgrade it to fully automatic by getting our motor kit. It comes with the motor, the sensor, and the controller. All you have to do is plug all that stuff in, and then now you have your automatic system. For sumps that may not have traditional filter sock trays, or for DIY sumps, such as people who use regular standard tanks, you can still use the Klir filter by adding this bracket. The bracket holds the filter, and you're able to plumb a full siphon overflow, such as a bean animal, and you can choose to have it fully filter all of your water, or you can divert some of the flow, allowing you to filter less aggressively, or if you're running a lot more than 800 gallons per hour.
To have the, the art of the trade, or everybody feel good about it at the end of the day, and be happier about it.
If you have a sump that has multiple sock holes and you only wish to run one filter, you can by utilizing our water flow cap. Simply drop it in the unused hole, and you can tune it if you want to divert some of the flow to bypass the filter. Thank you again. My name is Jack Behar, a Reefer Palooza 2018 in beautiful Orlando, Florida, with CoralVue and the Klir Filter. Find out more information at www.klirfilter.com.